Well, because it's ambiguous, right? And what we need in ambiguity is leadership that can still be evidence-based, but evidence-based within ambiguity, where you're not saying we're looking for the answer today, we're looking to learn. And it's evidence-based learning oriented leadership, right? So we have an idea of where we want to go to, but we only have an idea. We have a direction. We want to get out of this mess, right? We want to get out of here. We have ideas about pathways, but we've never seen this before. So we don't know the milestones. We don't know exactly what it is, but our job is to think as hard as possible and look for as many lessons in the past as possible to identify what those pathways might be, and to identify multiple pathways so that we experiment.
It's hard because people think data, they think numbers, they think certainty. Whereas oftentimes there's a lot of decisions where the data is not going to tell you the right answer because there is no right answer, but rather the data helps you frame the trade-off. There's pros and cons of every type of decision you make, and you want to make trade-offs based on, and there it's going to come back to those citizen beliefs, even the politics of it, what you can and can't get through. And this is where sometimes people feel frustrated, I feel like, from the data, and leaders feel frustrated from the data because they want that certainty. And so I think trying to be more comfortable with using the data to have a debate, to try to get at different things to try, rather than just use data to say, this is what we're going to do and not change course.
I don't necessarily like making kind of strong statements, but I want to make this very strongly. I have never in my life been ever in a situation where data does not speak. I don't think any one of us. So this idea that we shouldn't touch data, because data is one of those beautiful things that the more you use it, the better it gets. There are very few products in the world like that. Most products, when you use them, you consume them, they deplete. Not only does data get beautiful when you use it, when the data is like two great friends, when they meet, they can have a real amazing party together. If you can get two different data sets meeting together and talking to each other, amazing things happen. They start revealing truths about each other.